Hi, so today we're going to be making mini healthy banana pancakes. First, you're going to want to add a banana and crack 2 eggs. Then you're going to want to blend it up. Make sure there are no lumps. You're going to add any type of flour, 2.5 tablespoons of it. I'm adding millet flour. I'm going to whisk it up. Add some psyllium husks. 1 teaspoon. Then you're going to add some butter. I'm adding ghee. One tablespoon of it. And whisk it all up. I'm going to add some blueberries to these pancakes, but you don't have to. So we're going to add these batter to the pan, and because we already added some butter to the batter, we will have to add it on that. These are my little brother's favourite breakfast, his favourite breakfast.
Ooh, my leg!
If you want, you can also add some raisins to add some flavour and texture to the pancakes. Then you're going to cover it with a lid and flip after a few minutes. After it's cooked on both sides, you're going to add these mini pancakes to a paper towel so it removes all the extra grease. So these are all done, and you can continue baking these until the batter is gone. And now these are all ready and you can enjoy them.